Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to me to go over everything. They say the time's supposed to heal you, but I ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be.
Hi, this is Asif Merchant over here from Mumbai Designer, and quite excited to come to this place. It's a new concept, 6 year couture. It's like special fashion shows and couture week sort of like for the saris. And this is my showing first time Indian collection in Chennai. And I'm excited to show because I'm showing a different font of types of saris, basically to be worn in different occasions. It's not very run-to-the-mill sort of saris. It's saris for all occasions, from the destination wedding on beach and all. That you can wear it on the beach as well with a gown. You can wear it for the reception, you can wear it for the wedding, you can wear it for the party, you can wear it for the club. So the whole ranges of the saris been for the different occasion. And the main thing I've done is in this is the blouse are very innovative. It's not like a typical blouse. I've got the gown blouse, I've got the Victorian look of the blouse, I've got bikini blouse, then I've got the long trail where it gives an English look also. So it's a different style of blouse you can see in the whole collection which is I'm showcasing. And secondly, the fabric used are very vast. I've used brocades, I've used net tulle, and I've used georgettes as well. I've used brocades and velvets. So variety of fabric, variety of style, variety of saris to wear for different occasion. And I'm sure you like and you can adapt one of the style and grace the occasion whichever you're going. I'm quite excited. I put all the best and I hope you enjoy the show.
Hi, I'm Jules Sidiamin and I'm presenting my label Gia by Jules Sidiamin, the Autumn Winter Collection 2016 at this unique event. I call it unique because I think just promoting the sari and being part of a show which is intended as just promoting the sari or 6 yards couture is quite unique in this part of the city. And also because there's a lot of promotions of wearing the sari these days among the younger generation, so it doesn't have to be as cumbersome or as difficult to wear as it was before, and many youngsters are opting to wear it for various occasions. So it's all about reinventing the sari actually. My collection is called the Wild One, and the reason it's called the Wild One is because it's focused at the younger market, and it is to have the younger people wear mix and match their saris with their crop tops and their elements so that they can wear it in any particular fashion, you know. So we're going to have like shorter draped saris over petticoats, and the combination is like a mix and match. So I'll be using a lot of monochromatic shades. There's a lot of gold and beiges and whites and light pinks with a dash of black in between. So this is the focus of the collection, and I hope it's going to be exciting for everybody to watch.
Hi, I'm Anuradha, and I'm a Chennai-based designer. Well, this concept is totally different for me, kind of road show, which I really wanting to do basically for public, general public. When he told me about this concept, I was really thrilled to do this, and my first thought was like, okay, this is what a road show, and I really felt good about it. Nowadays, if we see the saris fashion is going away somewhere, and when I heard about 6 yards, I said, wow, this is a great opportunity me to showcase my stuff and show people, like in a general public, saying that this is again a way where we can tie our 6 yard sari. So somewhere this word itself like inspired me, and thanks to Ganesh who thought about me and took a few stuff from our past, like how Granny used to dress up and all. So now trends have changed and people want to be modern, but the saris also can be worn as in a modern way.
I'm from Chennai, so I had a great show walking with Asif, and so many other models. I made a lot of new friends. It was a great show. Yeah, Chennai always rocks.
Thank you so much for amazing 3 days and very warm hospitality. Of course, Chennai rocks, and I'll see you soon.
I really enjoyed the show. Thank you so much.
Show sponsors, thanks to show sponsors, everyone who has put this show. It's a rocking show. Thank you.
Chennai people are very sweet and nice, and we had a great show. So thank you for the hospitality, and we loved it. I would love to come here again.
Fantastic show, great production work, lovely models.